my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 4 new DIYs that I made. I'm gonna be using Dollar Tree items to make all these DIYs, and all of them turn out so beautiful with a really high-end looking. So I just hope that you like and enjoy and have fun in today's video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Also remember to follow me on my social media pages. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And let's get started with these Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay guys, for the first project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree wood tray. Dollar Tree has many options of trays that you can also use for this project as well. So yeah, this is the one that I'm going to be using, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to paint only the edges of the tray with my Waverly waxing antique color, and then let it dry very well. From there, I will use tape to cover the edges of the tray that we already painted, just to be able to paint the base in another color and make it look nice. To paint the vase, I'm going to be using my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and I give him 2 coats of paint. And just to make the process a little bit faster, I will use my heat tool to dry everything super quick. And in the description box of this video, you can find the link of where you can get it. From there, I used my Cricut and I made a stencil with black vinyl. I got this image on the internet and I just searched for something like vintage tile or something like that, and you're going to see many options. I get this one, and I just put a transfer tape on it and I place it on the white part of my tray. Once finished, I decide to use my Dollar Tree sanding sponge, and I'm going to be sanding all the edges of my wood tray just to create more dimension in my project, and I love how it ended up looking. Once you finish, you can use this piece as a tray, and you can put maybe some decorations on it, or you can put it on the wall or any surface, and this is how it will end up looking. And I love how simple and cute this Dollar Tree DIY looks. For the next project, I really want to make a ginger jar vase. I just love these jars, but they are quite expensive. So I decided to make one using this Dollar Tree glass jar. For the lid that this ginger jar needs, I'm going to be using this small glass bowl that comes in a set of 4 in Dollar Tree. You can find this at Dollar Tree, and it fits perfectly as a lid for this jar. And for the final touch, you need something to get the lid, like a handle. So for that, I decided to use this wooden cap that I have in my house, and I glue it with hot glue, but you can use whatever that you have at home that looks like a handle for this ginger jar. From there, I'm going to be painting everything with my spray paint in white color and then let it dry very well.
You can leave your ginger jar only white color if you like it, or you can add designs or texture to it. I'm going to be using this blue tape, and I'm going to put it around the glass jar, forming a straight line around it. I will paint the bottom part with my Waverly wax in antique color and then let it dry very well. This wax is going to give it a wood textured look, and it looks really cute. And once it is dry, you can remove the tape. Guys, after having painted the lid white, I just realized that the wooden cap will maybe look better with the wax, the same color that I painted the bottom part of the jar. So I just removed the lid, I painted, and then stick it again with hot glue. To give it more color and design to this jar, I'm going to cut several thin lines of black vinyl with my paper trimmer. Just in case, I will leave you the link of my paper trimmer in the video description of where you can get it. I'm going to stick that vinyl between the white color and the wood texture wax that I paint in my jar. Then I'm going to add another line a little bit thinner on the top of that one, just to give it more design, and another one on the edge of the lid of our ginger jar. Once finished, this will be the result, and I just love it. I try to give it like a modern look, and I just love how it looks. But if you like, you can give it more like a vintage or farmhouse look, and you can make these for a fraction of the price of what these normally ginger jar cost. Next project, I decided to use this canvas. This one is 8 by 10 inches and it is from Dollar Tree, but you can make the same project with any canvas size. For this project, I only need the wood frame, so I'm going to remove the staples and then the canvas fabric with my tweezers. Then I'm going to paint the wood frame with my Waverly chalk paint in black color and then let it dry very well. Now I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree bamboo skewers. I'm going to measure the size of the canvas frame just to be able to cut all these skewers of the size that I need. And guys, a really great tip is to cut these skewers or maybe dowels that are round with dog nail clippers. I always use these and I love it. These ones are from Dollar Tree and works perfect. Now I'm going to glue all the bamboo skewers that I cut together on the back side of the wood frame with hot glue. Once you finish, this is how it will look, and I love the look it gives and the color and texture. But just to give it a pop of color, I'm going to place 2 ferns on one side of the frame. I'm just going to cut them and then glue them with hot glue. You can also put flowers or any greenery that you like. And guys, this will be the result of our project, and you can hang it on the wall or you can put it on any surface and it will look amazing with a really high-end looking but super budget friendly. For the last DIY, I will be using 4 of these 6 by 8 inches Dollar Tree canvases. I only need the wood frame of the canvas, so I'm going to be removing the staples and the canvas fabric with my tweezers. From there, I will paint all the wood frames with my Waverly Wax in Antique color so that the wood texture that I like so much is still seen, and then just let it dry very well. Now I'm going to be using this sink mat. I get it from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place the wood frame on the top so I can measure, mark, and then cut the sink mat the size that I need. For each mat, I can cut 2 pieces for each frame, so you need a total of 2 sink mats for this project. Once I have all the pieces cut, I will use my Waverly chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to be painting all the mats on both sides with this paint and then let it dry. Then I will stick each mat on the back side of the wood frame, and you can use maybe hot glue, but just to make it stronger, I'm going to be using super glue gel. My idea was to make a lamp, so I will attach all the canvas frame forming a square with hot glue, but without doing any mess with the glue. From there, I really want to create a vase for this lamp. So for that, I use these Dollar Tree popsicle sticks, and I just paint them with the same color, the Waverly Wax in Antique color, then let it dry. And once that part is ready, I'm going to glue them all together with hot glue just to create the base on the bottom of the lamp. Then just to give it some height to the lamp, you can glue wood caps or these Dollar Tree wood crafts cubes. I just paint them with the same wax color, and then I glue one to each corner of the base of the lamp. Finally, you can add a handle with some nautical rope, but this time I'm going to be using this handle that I just have it at home and I really like it, so I'm just going to put it on the top of the lamp. Inside of this lamp, you can put a battery candle and also some greenery that you like, and guys, this will be the result. I think this is one of my favorite projects, and it looks super cute with a high-end looking. It has a good size, and it only cost me like $5 to $6 to make, and you can decorate it as you like. And I just hope that you like all the DIYs that I made in today's video using Dollar Tree supplies, and that helps you and inspires you to be creative. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and leave me a comment of which was your favorite project. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on my social media pages. I have Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and my webpage. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Love you so much, guys. Bye.